In this video, we'll connect your Qwilr account with Zapier. This integration lets you connect Qwilr to thousands of other cloud apps and automate lots of routine tasks. Before we get started, you'll need to make sure that you're an admin user in your Qwilr account. You can have any user level in Zapier. So let's start the process here in Qwilr. I'll open my account settings, and then I'll head to the API section and copy my account's API key. I'll need that in a moment. Next, I'll head over to my Zapier account so I can start building my first Zap. This is how I'll connect Qwilr and Zapier. If you're new to Zapier, check out our Help Center and Zapier's for more information. In this example, I'll set up a very simple Zap. Whenever one of my clients accepts a Qwilr page, I want to have an automated email sent to my whole sales team. So to start, I'll set Qwilr as the trigger point for this automation. I'll search and then I'll click on the Qwilr logo. And then from there, I can choose a specific trigger event that I want. I'll use the Project Accepted option, and then I'll click Continue. And now I'll be prompted to actually connect Qwilr and Zapier. I'll do that by pasting in the Qwilr API key that I copied earlier, and this will authorize the integration, and then I'll save. Now Zapier needs to pull in some test data from my Qwilr account and use it as a reference for this Zap. I'll click the button so that Zapier can get the details from my most recently accepted Qwilr page. And that's it for the trigger step of this Zap. With that done, I can now choose the app that I want to use for the action step. And in this case, since I need to send an email, I'll go ahead and choose Zapier's own email app. And the action event will, of course, be sending an email. From there, I can set up the content of that automated email. So I'll add all of my recipients and put in a subject line, New Accepted Proposal. In the body of the email, I can even add some tokens that bring in data from each accepted Qwilr page. So here, I'll add in a token that pulls in the URL of the page. And I'll also add some tokens that pull in the name and email address of the person who accepted. And that's all useful information for my sales team. Finally, I'll test the Zap and turn it on. And now, every time a Qwilr page is accepted, my team will get a customized email notification. And now my Qwilr and Zapier accounts will stay connected for any new Zaps that I want to build in the future. Keep in mind that Qwilr can be either the trigger or the action step in your Zap, and there are a lot of possibilities. You can visit Zapier's website to explore a list of all the available apps. And that's it. Give it a try and see what else you can automate using Zapier and Qwilr. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at help@qwilr.com or click the Help button in your app.